Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you control the existing Apple ID and remember the password. Make sure two-factor authentication is active. Once done, perform a fresh iCloud or local backup so you can restore if anything unexpected happens. Next, pick the new email address and check it's not already registered as an Apple ID. This prevents conflicts. You're starting the change immediately because preparing these 3 items avoids lockouts, lost purchases, and account duplication while you proceed. You sign in using the current Apple ID at Appleid. Apple. Com or open settings on your device and tap your name. Then select Edit near your Apple ID, type the new email, and request the verification code. Apple sends a code to that address. Make sure to enter it promptly and confirm the change because verification completes the transfer without data loss. After confirmation, update the sign-in for iCloud, iTunes, and App Store on each device so sync and purchases remain linked. You finish by checking iCloud Drive, Photos, Contacts, and Purchases appear under the new Apple ID. This verifies continuity. Next, sign out of Apple services on every device and sign back in with the new email. This reestablishes sync and authentication for apps and subscriptions. If verification fails or you lose access, start account recovery immediately or contact Apple support. Don't create a second Apple ID because that fragments data. Make sure to keep backups until you see all content intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.